we're going to be doing the popular miracle knot. I'm going to be using synthetic hair, the shine and jam. You need your crochet, oil for your scalp, comb, 3-way mirror. Starting off at the back, we're going to part the hair, cleaning up the part with some shine and jam, and then we're going to clip the other side so it doesn't get in the way. Then we're going to prep some of the curly hair so we have it handy when it's time to add it to the braids. You're going to start by braiding down your natural hair without any extension. And then when you get to almost the end of the braid, then you're going to add extension, the curly hair extension. I split the curly hair in 3 parts, and then I braid down until I get to the tip of my hair, and then I'll add a little bit of shine and jam to the braiding hair and twist and leave it like that. This is the easy part. I crochet in the curly hair and then I loop it once, take smaller pieces and loop it twice. I tried to do it once, but because it's synthetic hair, it was pulling out. So I started looping it twice, technically twice. So I loop it once and then take smaller pieces from the curly hair and then I loop that to tighten it up. So if you keep watching closely, you see what I mean. I'm just going to be showing you a few more examples, repeating the same process I explained earlier. And if you watch it over and over again and practice, it's a very easy style. I think this is easy for people who don't really know how to do their own hair, or you're just starting out braiding your own hair. This is the perfect hairstyle for you. So give it a try. as a reminder, while I do a little bit of modeling for you guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.